trash bin.
Alright, that's majorly full.
It's
All the way up to the
slam-packed.
cyclones.
So,
We're going to empty that. Just set it over there. Check the brush roll real quick.
hang on, let me get a bag.
Don't dump it yet. We can do that off camera because it's going to be such a mess. Just set that up there. And watch out, don't let that nickel fall out.
The brush roll.
And we need to clean our brush roll.
Yeah, it's completely.
So we're going to
filled
pause
there.
the video because we need to do
We'll
some
probably
more.
do this between rooms, and we're going to stop
Yeah,
the
we're gonna
camera
have to-
because we
we're
don't
gonna
want the
stop
video
it.
to take an hour just for this stuff.
So we'll be right back when we get the vacuum ready. We'll go on to the next part.